Hey guys, welcome to another episode of our Chopshop. This week, I'm going to get some concrete. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Alright, so in a couple of days, my mate's going to do the concrete for me. So we're doing a metre wide long path behind me and then a small bit of concrete for a triangle for a driveway. So I need to make some room because we currently have my stepmom's car, which I need to sell, and then the Camry, which is sort of tucked out of the way. So I'll move the Koleos and then I'm going to try and get some dirt sorted while I've got a free couple of hours. So I've been flat out with work this week and I've only got a couple of hours. So I want to tidy up the firewood and also get some stuff shoveled. And then I've also got the wheels for the Camry, so we'll see if they actually fit. Alright, if you watched the last episode on the Camry, you would know that the wheels I had didn't fit. So they were Mazda 3 stockies, and they were a 17 by 6.5 plus a 53, and they hit on the strut. So I got, I believe they're Suzuki Ignis or similar, one of the mini full drive type things. Got some rims for $100 and then put the good tyres back on them. So these are 17 by 6.5 plus 45, so it should bring the wheel out about 8mm a corner. And the back cleared with a 10mm spacer, so hopefully 8mm is enough. And the front was fine, so that shouldn't be an issue. So let's get this thing jacked up and chuck those wheels on. Alright, so I got the wheels back on. I think it looks pretty good, back on the ground. It doesn't touch, but there must be a literal paper thickness between the tyre and the suspension. So pretty happy with that. Alright, next job complete. So the wood is moved to here. So now I'm going to get some bricks and put them up either side, and then just get a piece of corrugated iron and put it along the top for a bit of a shelter. And then this should get a fair bit of sun and hopefully not as much rain. So should hopefully dry it out pretty quick. So I'll get into that, move some bricks, move some tin, and then this can be ticked off the list. Alright, it's not good, but it's good enough. A couple of bricks and a piece of tin, and then a couple of bricks on top to just hold it down. That should keep it pretty dry. I did stack some extra stuff under here, so it should run that way as well. And then if it does get pretty wet, I can put some more tin like on the front, and it's only going to be there for probably like 2 months, 3 months, so I can ignore it and hopefully it dries out. Shoveling. Alright, so I'm working this afternoon, but I've got time to have a look at this. So that's where the concrete's going, and it's happening in just a few hours. So I'll be at work, unfortunately. Won't be able to capture the process, but they've done a good job of setting it all up. Got the chairs in, overlaying the mesh and everything. And he had to dig out a bunch of the rubble at the back there, which was a bit annoying for him, but it'll be good. So once the boards are out, I can backfill all of that and look all nice. and then we've got about 800 in front of the poles and about 200 behind the poles. So there'll be a walkway here, and then I'll be able to use this space for the gate to slide on. So it should look pretty good. And then the best part, there's going to be a straight line in my backyard. That's really weird. Super keen. So that'll be happening tonight, or this afternoon I should say. And then I'll try and have a look at it tonight, but I think I will get back and it'll be dark. So I'll have to have a look on the weekend. Super keen. Saturday morning and the concrete is done. So it drops about 25 mil in that first half a metre or so, and it drops about 25 mil in the last metre or so, just to get the levels right. But as you can see, nice 4.5 metre wide driveway, you can drive straight through, straight up front. So pretty keen on that. And then the gate will stop where this pole is, slide behind all of the fence, and then the fence will go that way. Look at this straight line, straight along here, straight along there, so good. So next step would be the gate and the fence, I guess. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for this gate, but I'll get that bit done, at least get it fenced off a little bit. But today I have to deal with all this dirt, so I got 2 IBCs and 4 barrels to fill. Hopefully this fits in all of that, we'll see. And then I need to do the dirt, but that'll be some other day. Make some kind of lawn happen. So I'm going to spend the day shoveling, and that's pretty much it. Alright, it is later in the day. We've shoveled a whole lot of dirt. So Dad came and helped me shovel a bunch of dirt this morning, and then Emily helped me in this afternoon, and then Dad came back again and helped me clean up. So we just shoveled what we could and cleaned up, and then washed all this down, so it's a whole lot nicer. Still got a small pile of dirt left, obviously, which I was kind of hoping we wouldn't, but that shouldn't really take very long in comparison to what we have gotten rid of. So plan is to take this thing up to Chawneys tomorrow morning, so first thing tomorrow morning. Then when I get back from Chawneys, I can put the Camry back over here and put the trailer over here, or give it back to Dad. And then soon the truck runs out of rego, so I'll register the Camry again, truck can get parked over here, take the tray off of it, and then in about a week or so, when the concrete's hard enough, I can drive these cars out, put them in the driveway, put the truck down the back, and just give everything a bit of a clean. I still need to fix the little concrete guards over there, and I need to clean out down the side of the house still, which I haven't gotten to, so that's probably a tomorrow afternoon kind of job, which will be the day that you are seeing this, because it is currently Saturday. So it's probably going to be a late upload, I reckon, this week. But I'm still going to shuffle all this stuff out of here, all this stuff. So that's pretty much my main job. Get all that stuff out, sort it all, and then fix that bump, because I hate it so much. And then the backyard's actually looking really quite nice. It's been a lot of work, and my back absolutely hates me, but we got there. Very nearly. Just pretend that's not there. then we can deal with them as well. That's it for now.